Yeah, what is the point of the debate in these matters? I don't do philosophy to try and prove somebody else is wrong. I have my starting points. Things seem to be a certain way to me. And I know the first philosophy course I ever had was some prof trying to prove that there really is no table there, and kind of put me off with philosophy for a while. So I'm not out to prove an animalist is wrong, or an identity theorist is wrong, or a functionalist is wrong. I'm more concerned with articulating my own view, and if there's something wrong with my view, I'd like to know exactly what it is and basically what the problems are. So in debates like this, I think they're informative because you learn a lot about your own view that maybe you never saw before. You make distinctions that help other people to think about these matters. And it just clarifies how views are different and might help somebody else think, well, that's where I belong in this, or no, I belong over here. Or maybe somebody does hear something in the debate and say, oh, well, I think that's really a decisive reason for not taking that view, as opposed to this other view here. And so I think a lot of times it's clarification more than anything. And most people I've known over the years who are in philosophy, there's rarely a knockdown argument anywhere. I find most people, they start someplace and they probably end up at the same place. And philosophy perhaps gets a bad rap in a sense because it's a discipline that's always trying to prove something to somebody else. And I think that's even the wrong conception of philosophy. So in my chapter, in the dialogue with Erik Olson, I view it as informative. It's an educational experience, but I don't think I have anything decisive to say to Erik Olson. I'm more interested to see if anything decisive to say to me and to convince me that I'm wrong.